Luxury is a blend of technology, usability, and aesthetics.
We were very much inspired when we visited European countries and Scandinavian countries. We've seen few houses which are really, really attractive, and then we got inspired with that. My name is Dr. Subhash. We used to be doctors, but now post-COVID, we started off a company called Ekavan Infra.
For more detailed chapters
and ebooks containing floor plans and materials, visit buildofy.com.
Today we are at our residence. This is a 17,000 square feet villa which is located in a very upscale gated community located in the Kokapet area of Hyderabad. This is in the west of Hyderabad. So this is a 15 years old house.
Our previous house was completely on a concept of white glass, very minimalistic it was.
As the kids were growing, the necessities have been increased.
So this time we played around more with colors, more darker shades. A lot of areas of blacks, grays, darker grays, lighter grays. So this is entirely a different concept we have used in this new renovated house. Well, this is a 1,000 square yards plot. It is not exactly rectangle. The plot is slightly extended on the west side. So this is the constructed area. It has a very long driveway of approximately 100 feet. Entry is into a foyer area. We have put a lift right into the foyer. You take a left, you get into the central living zone, to which the main drawing opens up. This is a 20 feet high ceiling area. The front elevation is completely of glass. This is the Pooja here. My wife specifically, she did not want anybody to walk on top of the Pooja room. So we kept this Pooja room completely open for entire 3 floors, and on top of the 3rd floor, we used a pyramid shaped glass so that even on the terrace, nobody can walk on top of the Pooja room.
When we were planning to cover the walls, the basic idea was the incarnations of Lord Vishnu, the Dashavataras. These are Chettinad pillars, and these are very old pillars where they are being refurbished, and that's how this place has been designed.
The living, dining and the dry kitchen area, all 3 segments, they seem like a single area. So when it comes to the dry kitchen, we have an island here. The key aspect in the central island is half of the portion of the central island, on a press of a button, it moves out. And when it moves out, you can see there's a wash basin and there is a induction coil. And a tap comes out, and that is a wonderful usage. When you are not using it, you can actually close this and you don't even know there is a wash basin existent there. Exactly on the opposite side of the Pooja area, we have a staircase zone. In this staircase, we played around a lot with Italian marble. We chose a stone which had a particular pattern on one side. We followed the pattern. We laid the stone, cut the pieces for each step, and laid it so that the pattern doesn't disturb. So when you see this staircase from the top, you will see the pattern flowing all along these floors. This empty space, what we have here, because I'm a bike enthusiast, we specifically procured all these parts from various areas, and then we designed this and we made this. So this becomes the center of attraction. This is the entry to the basement. There's a play area here. We have a pool table. We have a bar section here. And then you enter into the office, wherein there's a table with chairs. We take the lift to the first floor. We enter into a studio room, or we call it as a games room. Generally, if any friends of the kids come, they hang out here. This entire first floor is for the children.
So we're currently in my sister's bedroom. She's a teenager. Theme of this room is very different. We've gone with a European, Scandinavian style. We have a 20 feet high sloping roof with veneer work. The main unique part about this room is the mezzanine floor, which is the bedroom. Downstairs is the living area and the study room, the closet and the bathroom. We had this wall, which was an empty wall, but we didn't want to leave it empty. So we decided to go with exposed brickwork pattern for it, and we wanted to maintain minimalistic staircase.
The elder daughter bedroom, this entire portion is bedroom, come wardrobe, come toilet. As you enter, we have demarcated this zone for the study, office, library, whatever way she want to use. This is the entry to the bedroom. So we've used a lot of black wood and then stone texture. We take the lift and come into the second floor. As you enter the bedroom, this portion is basically the bed area. And this room was designed and planned to look like a neo-classical appearance.
We are currently in the master bedroom closet. It's between the bathroom and the master bedroom. It's around a 450 square feet space, and we've gone with custom wardrobes with leather and glass work. To open up the space, we've used a lot of mirrors. For example, this standing mirror and oxidized mirrors on the ceiling.
As you enter into this family lounge, when you take a left, there's a French window. It opens up into a huge balcony. So as we get into the third floor, we take the stairs from the second floor and then we come up onto the terrace. This area, we have made it into a bar. There's a French door all along this portion. So when you sit inside and then you view, you have this garden area. We always were we like the marbles.
Speaks luxury.
That's a naturally available thing, and there is no specific constant design on it. There's always a variation in every kind of a marble. So we like it and we used it.
As a residents of the house, only we know our requirements. Every room is designed according to the individual taste, and it speaks the individual personality.